Here's a little saying I learned from Nigeria with the pigeon English and that. Your mate, they make money. You, they make noise. It makes sense. Think about it. It's a mad thing still, I swear down. What are you telling me? I'm a flipping Lord, I swear. Look, nobody fully on party do that. Yeah, I know you're about to say I'm making noise too. But I'm on TikTok doing my thing, not just on TikTok. I'm on flipping whatever app you pull up at. You're going to see the fires there. Man's spreading the fire still. 001 type shit. But what you doing? I'm making peace. Are you making peace? Stop making noise, bro. Go get your bag. If you don't do that, we're going to go key on bag. Nobody fully on body do not you get me. It's a mad thing.